Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do some high level trading. I haven't day traded like this in years, but this channel is going to be all about it. This is back to stocks now. So here's what I'm going to focus on. I'm going to focus on these stocks, QUBT and Ionic, right? These are quantum computing stocks, and they're just gapping up for no reason. So I'm actually just going to focus on this one, QUBT. It's up 12%. But when it's up on nothing, that means it's easy shortable. QAB, it's not there. So it's not listed on this platform. I mean, I'm using a funded account, Ionic. There it is. So there it is. Okay, so look how it opened up. $60. This will dip just down here because it's at resistance levels. If you look here, these are your resistance lines. Okay, I'll explain all of it in a minute. Let's just open 1,000. Okay, perfect. That's opened. So yeah, that's open as you see here. I'll tell you why. Just have a look here, guys. It opened up with a gap after dipping, right? Sell off. Let me just get a line. I know you guys learn better when it comes with lines. But this is a simple, see, we're up here 300, 420. And it should come down even further down to 58. Just in the 58 levels. So I guess I'll tell you why I opened the trade. So number one, I found a stock, a sector. And I said, I'm going to trade it. It gapped up and I shorted it because it touched resistance lines. And my resistance line is simple. I found a candle that looks like this, and there it is. Okay, we're up now $700. Okay, I'm gonna prepare my exit as soon as we hit 1,000. I expect even further pressure to $59 at least. So I could put my stop loss high enough. Just here, no. We won't. I don't think we'll need a stop loss. There's 1,000. Okay, $1,340 in the space of 2 minutes. So let me tell you what I did and why I did it. So number one, I looked at the market, okay, and I found a bunch of stocks. This stock was up 12%, 10%. You could use this scanner, and it's based on this, just hype, right? Nothing, just fluff in the air. And it gapped up, given that this is an overvalued stock as well. So what I did, I went here, okay, and I just read into it. Is there anything that will make that gap up stick on market open, like actual fundamental news for the company? The answer is no. So because of that, we said, let's short it. So I came in here, market opened, and I looked for my resistance lines. And I'm looking at 4 hours here. Okay? My resistance line is basically this candle. On 4 hours, it's big enough. So where is this candle? Okay, there's two here. There's one here. Now, if you want to do it with a line, I've been looking for the line. Let's just have a look where this line is. Hold on. See? 58. So we tested 58, guys. Indicators? No indicators. But that was a quick trade. I enjoyed it. Now what I can do, however, is wait for this to dip a little bit lower and I open a buy position. But I think you guys already get it, right? How I traded this. Especially given that this was actually downtrending. So even if it gapped up, is downtrending. The pressure is down. It gapped up, I sold it. It'll probably come down here to this level further down. So this candle could continue selling. But yeah, the moment it tested these lines, my candle, this here's my resistance candle. Everywhere you see this, that's resistance. Red candles. Okay, there it is. You see here? But also, as you see, it's a downtrend, which means every time the market tries to gap up, it will find somebody selling it. So it's easy shorts on this way. If this was an uptrend, for example, like this, Every time there's a dip, there's somebody buying it. Okay? So that's how you trade momentum with stocks. Let's have a look at other sectors. So go to Yahoo Finance. Let's see what else is moving. Now, I have other stocks here on my radar. I'll tell you what we're watching that we could trade. Okay, so let's see GTX. Oh, let's see this one, QBTS. This is a similar stock, also based on hype. QBTS. It's not listed, right? These volatile stocks, you won't find them listed. All right, guys. So before I leave you, this is what I've been doing, right? I've been achieving around average daily net P&L 1,000, 1,500 on this trading account. This is a funded program I've been using. Now, this isn't one of your average ones where you go and trade like tests and things. We don't do that. That's for kids. But $1,000 a day, all right? That's what I've been achieving or hitting daily. And this is the dashboard you'll also have if you're going to use the same platform I use. But look, to make that such numbers, you need the right market condition. And it's both longs and shorts, just so you know. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Keep up your trading. Just don't get greedy. Keep it to one trade a day. Make your money. Walk away. Don't use real capital if you're not ready for it. And nobody's ready for it. Just have a predetermined risk or potential loss, and treat your account like it's your money, right? And you'll do well. You'll do really well. But essentially all I did in this video is go through momentum trading. We went and traded, I don't know what the name of the stock is now. I just found it on the radar. But maybe I'll make more of these tutorials for you. Maybe I'll make more of these trades. I don't know. I don't know how you guys are feeling about day trading these days. But I feel like a lot of people have their money either invested or they're just too broke, right? Or they're just demotivated. Rightfully so. I mean, there isn't really anything to be excited about these days with all the headlines. But just put your head down, focus, and look, make sure day trading is a means to an end. It's not like something you're going to just make sure it's something that you just make money from it and that's it, right? Just quick money just to pay yourself. Don't aim too big. Now, usually I say aim big, but not here. Don't aim too big, all right? Because guessing direction every day isn't always going to be, you're not always going to guess right. There will be a day or two where you guess wrong and everything just turns upside down. So my advice to you, if you're going to day trade, walk away, come back another day, okay? Yeah, I thought I'd make this because I know there's a lot of day traders here. I haven't day traded in years on this channel. I mean, listen, day trading is not something I'm interested in, but you know, I do this every now and then. This account I haven't opened in months or weeks, you know. But when I'm bored, I guess I'll make videos for you. Maybe you want more of these. I don't know. You guys let me know. But for today, we're done here. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you as always. You seen how quick that was. And maybe I'll come back and give you guys, you know, a throwback to what we used to do here. You let me know if that's what you want. I'll do it. Peace out, guys. Thank you very much. See you next time.